How to fix WhatsApp online not showing. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and go to WhatsApp. Click for stop and click OK and go to storage and click just clear cache. After these steps, go to data and turn off mobile data and turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi. And after these steps, you can restart your phone. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.